LexisNexis Risk Solutions, fighting fraud and building efficiency in a single bound. What is LexisNexis? LexisNexis keeps legal, regulatory, and business information and analytics. They have innovative proprietary technology. They increase efficiency and have had 40 years of growth. LexisNexis has experienced significant growth over 40 years. They have customers in over 100 countries. They work with multiple industries, such as insurance, government, financial services, debt collection, law enforcement and public safety, healthcare, and more. There was a recent partnership announcement. In early 2018, they partnered with the Small Business Finance Exchange, SBFE. They are only one of 3 certified vendors. SBFE members can benefit from LexisNexis tools and technology that non-members cannot access. How do they do it? They use cutting-edge technology, deep analytics, proprietary linking technology, and a unique identifier, the LexID. They provide companies with usable information and perform identity management. What does it mean for businesses? Increased profits, predict behaviors, streamline processes, compliance, and fraud detection and preventions. What is LexID? LexisNexis uses a proprietary linking technology in combination with our own unique identifier, LexID, to resolve, match, and manage information for more than 276 million U.S. consumer identities. This patented linking and clustering method is the machine behind many LexisNexis products that leverage authentication, verification, and other identity management capabilities. What types of businesses do they help? One type is insurance companies. LexisNexis helps determine risk. This information is used to determine price to charge specific customers for coverage. Information provided includes wrecks, traffic tickets, health history, and more. This reduces the time it takes to track down this information on their own. How does LexisNexis help insurers? According to Adam Hudson, Senior Director of Product Management for U.S. Connect Car, today, 85% of U.S. auto insurers use a LexisNexis pre-fill solution, which is focused on ease of use for the consumer, improved accuracy, and a better experience throughout the customer journey. See the website here. Another industry they help is the government. LexisNexis helps governments help achieve mission. Apply technology and identifier to information already available, providing more in-depth information and clearer insight, with information that can help adjust mission strategy if needed. LexisNexis also helps the financial services industry. LexisNexis helps financial services companies help lenders make credit decisions, offer decision-making support with information regarding likelihood to pay or not pay, aid compliance, and provide proof of due diligence. LexisNexis helps with collections. Use LexID to provide reliable contact information the first time. Reduce the time spent tracking down debtors. This results in faster collections. Another area where they help is law enforcement and public safety, catching those bad guys. LexisNexis helps with public safety. It's not all finance and business. Technology and analytics can help solve crimes faster. This helps analysts predict and therefore prevent future crime. It has been used to locate witnesses and find kidnapped children. Yet another industry they assist is healthcare. LexisNexis helps healthcare organizations. It can help hospitals and nursing homes see what works and what doesn't. This can help them stay compliant. The data provided can be used to reduce risk to patients and employees. Let's look at a real-life example. Butler Health Systems. Butler purchased multiple physicians' practices over a short period of time. They had 1 million records that represented only 740,000 unique patients. This resulted in incomplete and disorganized records. This prevented Butler from providing patients with the best care. LexisNexis used proprietary technology to weed out multiples and link partial records. The end result was streamlined and complete records for each patient. Another area where LexisNexis shines is in converting leads. Sales leads often have incomplete contact information. They may have incorrect telephone numbers and addresses or aliases. Converting can be slow and difficult. LexisNexis can help provide complete contact information. This decreases time spent on verifying information so that follow-up can happen faster. How can LexisNexis help your business? They can help determine which sales leads are worth your time and which ones to let go. They can streamline the credit risk analysis process. LexisNexis can provide information to help detect and prevent fraud. This can, in turn, increase collections percentages. Remember, they have information on your business as well, so pay bills on time. Work with vendors and lenders that report to the credit agencies, and work to keep personal credit in order. Your LexisNexis report could affect ability to buy and insure company vehicles, obtain a business line of credit, or have other activities that are essential to business success. LexisNexis changes things for businesses. Since 1970, LexisNexis has worked to grow its suite of superpowers or services in an effort to help businesses flourish. Credit is a big part of this, but it isn't everything. There is so much more information available to help in many areas. Calling them a credit agency is not enough. Pricing varies based on the type of entity and service to be rendered. Government pricing schedule can be found at lexisnexis.com/terms/government. Corporate legal search pricing schedule can be found here. How can you contact LexisNexis? Call 1-888-LEXIS. Fill out the online form at lexisnexis.com/en-us/contact-us/contact-us-rep.page, or start at their website for more information at lexisnexis.com. Let's recap. LexisNexis has experienced 40 years of growth. It uses proprietary technology such as LexID to help businesses, and it works with multiple industries. They can help increase profits and decrease fraud. Contact us today to learn more about LexisNexis Risk Solutions, fighting fraud, and building efficiency in a single bound.